Chapter 3, Manage News. Manage News. Right-click on the name of any news menu to extend the side menu. All relevant features can be found here. You can click on Add Menu to add a new menu to the same level. Or use Add Sub-Menu to add a sub-menu to the next level. There has no limit on the number of levels. Each menu can have multiple news items. Just click Add News to proceed. RWD Wrappings. You might want to group the news items as slider banner. Or roll the news items or any products like a carousel. Just click on RWD Wrappings. You can then select to display in these styles, such as slider banner, carousel, open, featurette wrapper. You do have row by row, column by column, pinboard, index, panel, accordion, etc. The Adopted SOA options allows you to show it on any page. And the Publish to Adopted SOA options let you publish to almost anywhere on the web page. Let's try to set up a slider banner. Click here to add a submenu under Home. Once a new menu is created, row by row is the default option. And both the Adopted and Publish to Adopted SOA options are pointing to this. As to publish a slider banner to the top of the home page, you need to click on Publish to Top first. Then select Parent Page from the Adopted SOA option. Enter the image size, set options, and then click Save to confirm. And this menu container must be a sub exists and under a parent menu, such as Home. By default, a news item comes with the newly added menu. Topic image and content image are being used for adding the banners. To add more banners, you need to click here to add more news items. To apply the changes to the website, you need to click this button. Tree menu. The menu can be moved by drag and drop with the mouse. If you want to move to the root level, you need to drag and drop onto this icon. By changing this number, you can rearrange the order of the menus. Access level. To change its access level, you can change it to Don't Publish, Public Menu, Private Menu, and Hidden. Once Private Menu is selected, click on this icon to select which member group is to be granted to access this private menu. You can choose to show this private menu publicly or not, or grant accessing permission to all new and non-group members. Members require a login. Only granted members can see the contents of that page. Function menu. Besides, RWD Wrappings extend this function menu. You can set up such as hide left frame and disable menu click. You can also click here to convert a news page to a contact us form or sitemap, etc. Content top and bottom banner. You need to use upload files to upload the banners first if they do not exist in the media library. Content top banner and content bottom banner can be added by drag and drop. News toolset. Each news item comes with a set of toolset styles, and links of news topic and news content can be set up here. The upper set is for the use of news topic, and this is for news content. Topic image shows on the left side, and content image on the right. By changing it to this option, such a URL will be added to the image. Click on this image, the URL will take you to the linked target page. To insert an image to the text content, just double-click to open HTML editor. And then click on any image in the media library. Click on anywhere you want to add the image or download file. And then click Insert to confirm. An image URL will be added to the source attribute. If you're familiar with HTML, you can click here to edit the source directly. The added image element is here. Too much useless HTML coding can affect search engine SEO rankings. To prevent copying useless HTML code, you can use the shortcut key, Ctrl+Shift+V, to paste content on Windows. Or right-click from the editor to use Paste as plain text. On Mac, you need to use Paste and Match style. Click Save to confirm updates. Move news items. To move news items to another menu, just check this box. You might need to click OK if you see this pop up. And then pick a Move to Target from this drop-down menu. Click the button Confirm to fire the move. Duplicate menus and news. You can duplicate the menus, just right-click on any menu. And then select Duplicate Menus and News from the side menu. Once a set of menus is duplicated, it will be created at the root level. All settings will be copied as well. You can then follow the copied settings to finish the new setups. SEO.url. By default, the name of the menu will be used as the meta title and keywords. You can click here to optimize them via SEO meta tag. Besides, SEO.url allows you to rebuild the SEO-friendly URLs, HTML sitemap, and sitemap of XML version for Google SEO, for search engine optimization purposes. HTML sitemap. XML sitemap. The sitemaps are being cached. You need to rebuild and refresh the cache every time after you got the product catalog, products, or menu updated. Using custom JavaScript, jQuery, and CSS. Such as embedding meta tags, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, and Google Analytics tracking code, etc. If you're familiar with web programming languages, you might feel like making use of your own JavaScript and jQuery on your website. The CSS cascading style sheets can be overridden by your own resources. Just put them to the head or body of your website through the RWD bottom menu container. The settings of RWD bottom menu are here. There had already added a few submenus and each represents a column. The settings can be found here. Each submenu container represents each column in the RWD bottom menu, and each row is created by each news item. Thanks for watching. Please continue to the next chapter.